Alternative energy sources. So what is this alternative energy? Why alternative energy refers to energy sources other than fossil fuels. This includes all renewable sources and nuclear. Alternative sources of energy are the answer to energy crisis. They are the answer to, okay, so they are the ones which do not cause any undesirable consequences to people and the environment because they are renewable and are free. So alternative energy sources can be implemented for houses, for cars, factories, and any other facility you can imagine. Scientists around the world are researching on developing and discovering new alternative energy sources so that the growing energy needs of human population can be met more easily, safely, and efficiently. So here is a list of alternative energy sources which will help us maintain the balance of nature without causing it much harm as compared to the conventional energy sources. We have the commonly known alternative energy resources. The first one is the hydroelectric power energy. So hydroelectric energy, the potential energy is stored in the water held in dams by is made to drive a water turbine and generator, which in turn produces electric power. This form of energy generation is called the hydroelectric power. Out of all the alternative energy sources, this one has been most commonly adopted in current time. So, in hydroelectric energy, we have the advantages. The source of hydroelectric power generation, the water is free of cost. Second, dams can provide virtually continuous electricity generation. Third one, the water used for power generation can be put to use again, and there is no chemical process involved in the power production process. So therefore, the power generated is clean and does not harm the environment. Second, the solar energy. Okay, so solar energy, this is the energy which the earth receives from the sun. This is one of the most promising alternative energy sources which will be available to the mankind for centuries to come. The only challenge remains is to tap the solar energy in the most efficient way. The solar power generation is done by using a series of photovoltaic cells where the solar rays are converted into electricity. Apart from electricity production, solar energy is also being used for heating water, cooking food, and etc. So, the advantages of solar energy, okay, so solar power which is generated in the daytime can be stored to be made available in the nighttime as well. Second, solar power generators can be used to generate power in rural and remote areas where there is no reach of the conventional form of energy. The source of energy also is absolutely free. The generation of solar power is quite and absolutely clean. And lastly, solar energy is a renewable form of energy, will not deplete until the thousands of years. Okay, so for the third one, the third commonly known alternative energy sources is the wind energy. So, itong wind energy natin, ang famous dito is in Ilocos, yung mga wind turbine nila doon. Okay, ano naman tong wind energy na to? So, wind energy, it is the power of the wind is harnessed to propel the blades of wind turbine attached to an electric generator to generate wind energy. So, wind energy is an effective alternative source of energy in areas where the velocity of wind flow is high. So, the advantage of wind energy, okay, so wind energy is cleaner form of energy. The source of power generation, okay, so the wind is free of cost, and the wind energy is a renewable source of energy. So for the last one, we have the biomass energy. Okay, biomass energy. This is the energy developed from the wastes of various human and animal activities like the byproducts and wastes from timber industry, agricultural yields, municipal solid waste, and etc. So out of the um, many alternative sources of energy, this is the one which takes place into account the utilization of waste material to develop energy, thereby disposing them off in a profitable and effective way. Okay, so we have also the advantage of biomass energy. The first one is it is an environmental friendly way of energy production in which biological mass is recycled and reused. Second, the biomass will keep generating and decomposing as part of the natural biological cycle. Okay, so those are the four commonly known alternative energy sources. We have also the new alternative energy sources. So apart from the commonly known alternative energy sources previously mentioned, there have been recent advancement in terms of discovering new alternative energy sources. So to add to the list of alternative energy sources for this generation. So we have the geothermal and the tidal energy. What is this geothermal energy? So geothermal energy is the heat that comes from the subsurface of the earth. Okay, so from the word is geo means earth. Okay, so um the advantage also similar to other alternative energy sources, geothermal energy source is the free of cost, and with a proper power generation system in place, no harmful byproducts are produced. Okay, for the last one, we have the tidal energy. The surface of Earth is 71.11% covered by water bodies, especially oceans. The tides in water rise and fall due to the gravity of sun and moon. Since we know about how the position of moon changes, we can now predict the rise and fall of tides. This rise and fall of tides can be utilized by setting up small dams and passing water through the turbines to generate the power. So the advantage of tidal energy, the source of power generation is free and renewable, and also the power generated is clean and does not cause any pollution. Okay, next. Um, So, yun lang yung dalawang ano natin, the new alternative energy sources, which is the geothermal and the tidal energy. So now, let's proceed to the challenges with using alternative energy sources. So, as promising as the use of alternative energy sources of energy, it is still research as to how to tap energy from these resources in the most efficient and effective way. Okay, so although small power generation systems can be put in place, but power production from these resources on a large scale is still a challenge, with hydroelectric power generation being an exception. So many countries are not yet ready to move from using conventional energy sources to the alternative energy sources, as it involves a huge amount to decommission the old power generation infrastructure and establish also a new infrastructure. So therefore, this shift is ideal to be made in phases. So why do we need to use the alternative energy sources? We all know that alternative energy sources are available free of cost and do not tax the environment for their usage. Power generation through alternative sources of energy is clean and green. If we shift to use power generated from these sources, then carbon dioxide emission from the conventional energy sources will be greatly reduced and the problem of global warming will be solved in a few years. Also, the fast depleting traditional energy sources can be preserved. So along with the air pollution, the use of traditional energy resources also causes soil pollution and water pollution by releasing various toxins to land and water. This can also be controlled reasonably. So the damage that we have caused to Earth after the Industrial Revolution is huge, and we will have to take action immediately if we want to keep the planet sustainable for our future generations. Now, the biggest leap that mankind can take to prevent is to further damage is to start using alternative energy sources. Okay, so may sinasabi rin tayong ocean thermal energy conversion or DOTEC. Okay, this is the process that can produce electricity by using the temperature difference between deep cold ocean water and warm tropical surface water. So these OTEC plants pump large quantities of deep cold seawater and surface seawater to run a power cycle and produce electricity. So OTEC is a firm power, which is 24/7, a clean energy source, environmentally sustainable, and capable of providing massive levels of energy. So that is what the ocean thermal energy conversion is. Okay, so that's all for the alternative energy sources, the last topic for this final term.